Good morning, everybody. Welcome to My Creative Time with Emma. And also welcome to day 2 of our sneaky peeks from our 137th edition release. I'm super excited because we have an adorable treat box that we are showcasing here today. It is called You've Got Mail. Now there are a total of 11 pieces. Now this is a huge die, okay? So when you do purchase this, you will have like dies. I'm going to go ahead and show you an example here. Okay. You will have, since this is such a big die, you will have dies in the front as well as the back of your packaging. Okay, so when you do order this, if you do decide to get this, don't think there's pieces missing, just flip it over in the back and you'll see it. Okay, so again, there's a total of 11 pieces in this set here. Now I went ahead and I did a video already on it for the store showing how to put this together, and that will be live on when this release goes live, which is Friday the 29th, September 29th at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Okay, so that is the little You've Got Mail treat box. Okay, and then we also have the You've Got Mail add-ons. So I'm going to show you an example of what it looks like if the add-ons are not in your budget, because this does come with the full stamp set along with the dies. I tried to do the smaller one, but I wasn't able to use all these fun images, so I went with the bigger 4x6 standard size stamp set. And then these are the add-ons. Okay, so we have a little so just so you know, this one comes with a little standard lock. Okay, oopsie, it's upside down. Some of the standard lock. Now I wanted some decorative ones, so we added some add-ons. So we have like this big stamp here. And then we have a layer to go onto the stamp. We have this cute little flag, and there's a layer to go on the flag. And then we have a little pumpkin lock, heart lock, a little cocoa/coffee lock, and then a little gingy lock. Okay, sorry, let me do this so you don't see the glare. And that's super duper adorable. And this goes with this here. Now this simply, there are several stamps in here. It says Happy Holidays, special delivery just for you. Merry Christmas, with two little gingers. Two little cute gingies side by side there. And then we have Sending Merry Mail. And then we have To and From. Now, the way I designed that, which I had in mind, which like I said, everybody could do their own how they want. But I was thinking about putting this little Happy Holidays ornament like to the left of the stamp, and then to the right of that little Happy Holidays envelope, go ahead and add our the To and From. So I'm so glad I incorporated that in there. And there's just all these cute little images in here that you could use. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how I put this together without the add-ons, so you can see how super cute it could look without the add-ons. Okay, so this is it right here. So this is it put together. And so what I did was I went ahead and I used my existing, I'm going to show you what I used. I used my stitched zigzag dies, which are, I use the big one here to stamp From Your Secret Santa. And From Your Secret Santa is from my apron stamped and die set, which, do I have that here? Yes. This is the little apron, and I use the stamps that go with it, which is the one From Your Secret Santa right there. Okay. And then for the little greens, which I did golds, I used my little Christmas green dies, and I used this die along with this one here. And then of course I use my little ginger boy and girl. These are the smaller gingers. I use my small and medium ginger faces. And then under this stamp set, there is a video on how to show you how to cut these without the little lines on the face, so you can stamp those on there. And then for her adorable little Santa jammies, I use the Ginger Boy and Girl add-ons. Okay, so I use a little hat with the little slippers and the little layers for this to put this together. Now, how cute is this? Okay, now this does coordinate with my and several of you have this, because I don't know how many times I sold out of this, but these are the mini love letter dies. There's 2 different size envelopes. There's also a little paper that you could tuck into the envelope. This paper will go in here, and the smaller one will go in there. And those fit perfectly on here. Like this is the bigger envelope. Okay, you could go ahead and put that in like that. And you could, and those little tiny papers, you could go ahead and just put little messages in there. You know what I'm saying? And how cute would that be? So this is just 2 big ones and 2 small ones. And if you want to get it out, just go ahead and just take off the little lock and then go like that, and you'll see all their little messages in there. Or you could add candy to this, okay? So this is what it looks like if you do not purchase the add-ons, if you just get the You've Got Mail box only, okay? So that is the first one there. And then the second one is using the add-ons here. I will be adding more embellishments to this, but I just kind of wanted to show you a simple, how you can put it together simple, okay? So here I popped up the little flag on the side there. And then if you could, I'm not sure if you could see this or not, but I faintly stamped that little stamp, the circle stamp that has a ginger in it with those little wiggly lines. I stamped that with light gray. Then in black, I did special delivery just for you. And we have our cute little lock. And then same thing. I didn't put anything in here. No, I didn't put anything in here. It's just simple. So what I did, what you want to do, I mean, it's up to you, but I didn't want to waste my pattern paper on cutting out the bottom portions. Like for example, the bigger parts, I only use my pattern paper for all the layered pieces. So this way my pattern paper could last. And all of these layer pieces will fit perfectly onto my 6 by 8.5 sheet. You'll be able to fit all of those layers on there perfectly. So you just do one pass through if you have a bigger machine. Okay, so that is that. Okay, and then of course, you know, I had to do a Halloween one. This one here, I popped up the flag on the side. I put the little costume here, the cute little Gingy costume with the little skeleton. And then of course he's holding his little trick-or-treat little bucket. And I stamped October 31st. Now this is everything with the add-ons, okay? So this is part of the add-on, this is part of the add-on, and that's part of the add-on, okay? Super duper cute, okay? So now this one here, what I did was I went ahead and I used some of that little filler paper, and I just added some, what do you call that? The little Hershey Kisses in there. I mean, this is like a really, really good, a good size box, okay? Which I absolutely love. So that goes with there. And then last but most certainly not least is this one here. This is the one where I put the little brad. So when you're, well, I explain to you what point you want to put that in if you were to make it with the brad, okay? So that one will go down like that if you want to let them know that you don't have mail. This is the one you do have mail. And then this one I used our brand new little December 25th die, and I think that's super adorable on there. I didn't put anything in here. Yeah, so that's it, everyone. That is our little brand new mailbox treat bot mail. These are called You've Got Mail. Cute little treat box. You could put little messages in there however you want. I think they all came out super adorable. So again, go ahead and leave your comments on the blogs and leave your comments for me under this YouTube video for a chance to win both of these sets that we are showcasing today, which is the You've Got Mail die set along with the You've Got Mail add-ons, okay? So that's it for today, everybody. I hope you enjoyed our sneaky peek. Thanks so very much for tuning in. Have a fabulous day, and I will see you all back here soon. Bye-bye.